Good evening. Going to work you through the new RACAS maintenance hub site. You'll see we would have provided you a hub link, and rather than training there, you'll potentially see your own council name. On arrival to the RACAS hub site, you'll see a couple of dashboards and a couple of different icons that you can use in regards to determining either the overall condition of the network, or what we call high priority defects, and then also the potential of exporting data out to a CSV file for use for programming. Just to start with, you can see over here that the roads collected for the month has been 41, and also you can see the length of kilometres actually surveyed as well. Down below, we'll give you the overall condition. We use a condition 1 to 5. And we'll give you a condition percentage using that condition 1 to 5, which I'll go through on these next couple of dashboards. High priority defects, currently there's been 279 collected, and points of interest, there's 16.